In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get access to Dispute Panda, the world's most advanced and effective AI-powered credit repair software, 100% for free. So you're going to navigate to disputepanda.com and you're going to see a website that looks like this. You can use the sign up for free button at the top left, or you can use the sign up for free button right below the banner. And it's going to bring you to a screen that looks like this. Once you're on this screen, you're going to enter your first name, last name, email, company name, or your name, the password you want to use to log in. You're going to confirm the password. You're going to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and then you're going to sign up. So let's fill out this section. Now, be mindful, the password that you use here will be the same password you use to log into Dispute Panda. Once you hit sign up, you have to use the same email and password that you just put in the previous screen. Once you hit log in here, it's going to bring you to a screen that looks like this. If you do see another pop-up here, make sure you exit out. You don't want to do anything before you read and agree to the terms of service. So make sure you read this entire service agreement. And as you scroll down to the bottom, as you notice, it changed down here. Now you're going to be able to click the checkbox and accept the terms of service to be able to use the platform. Now, you're going to see a banner up top here, right? Check your email that you used to log in, and you're going to receive a verify your email setup here. Once you come in here, you click verify my email. It's going to take you to a screen that looks like this, and then it's going to bring you right back in. So what we did was just verify that your email is correct and that you can use the software. And as you see, the banner has been removed. And there you have it. You have now successfully created your account. You're inside of Dispute Panda. See you in the next lesson.